Okay, today we're doing a lesson on different kinds of sharks is what we're reading about. So our code for today is HKOMD. Again, it's HKOMD. You're going to take that code and go to nearpod.com or the Nearpod app. Enter your code HKOMD and join. It says welcome to the session. You need to type your name so that I can see your hard work. Okay, we're reading about different kinds of sharks. Some people think sharks are scary, some people think they're interesting, some people think they're cool. But we're going to look at the pictures about different types of sharks. So we always go through the pictures first and look at how different they are. They just all look so different. We have labels for the different types, and none of them look the same for the different types of sharks. So, like we have some with strange shaped heads. It's called a hammerhead because it looks like the head of a hammer. Okay, a mako shark kind of looks like the sharks we normally think of. And then here we have a Greenland shark, and it just kind of looks like a dark submarine. A whale shark is enormous, and you can see how big it is because you have a person here next to it. So it's way bigger than a person. All right, let's keep looking. This one has stripes. So if you think about what kind of animal we know that has stripes, that might be where it gets its name. And this one has spots, like some animals that we know on Earth, not in the ocean. So this one is really skinny, which means that it can swim really fast. So this one has a kind of interesting shape. It looks more like a ray to me, but it's a type of shark. They're all so different. We do have this type of shark near us. It's a very big type, the great white shark. Okay. We know that sharks, all the pictures were all in the water. So even though some of them look so different, they have something in common. They all live in the water. And we learned in our Scholastic News article this week that they all have fins and gills to breathe underwater. So we're reading about different kinds of sharks. So the word we're going to see over and over again is sharks. So I'd like you to circle the word sharks. It starts with an S and ends with an S. Sharks. Can you say sharks? So after you're done circling sharks, hit submit. Okay. So here's some different types. A hammerhead shark, a mako shark, and a Greenland shark. It says shark 3 times just in the labels. So let's circle them. 1. I'm going to change my color so you can see it a little bit better. 2, 3. And those are just the labels. It says there are many different kinds of, what word does it say? Sharks. Ready? There are many different kinds of sharks. Okay. A whale shark is very big. Can you find the word shark on this page? Shark. A whale shark is very big. When you're done circling all the times that we found the word shark or sharks on the page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you hit submit. Okay. This one's called a tiger shark. It says a tiger shark has light stripes. Do you see its stripes on the side? Now find the word shark and circle it. It starts with an S. Oh, it won't let you circle on this page. Interesting. So you get out of doing work on this page. A zebra shark has dark spots. Do you see the different spots? Like a zebra, which is funny. I think it should be called like a cheetah shark. I think of zebras with stripes, but this one's called a zebra shark, and it has spots. Okay, we can draw on this page again. So let's keep looking for the word shark. Okay, it says a blue, what's this word? Shark. A blue shark is very fast, just like you. A blue shark is very fast. When we go outside, we go very fast. Okay, this one's called an angel shark. You help me find the word shark? An angel. I found it, did you? Shark. An angel shark has wide fins. So here are its fins. 1, 2. They're very big and wide. And there's some more fins on its tail. So we found shark 2 times. Then hit submit. Okay. This is called a great white. A great white shark has sharp teeth. We have to be careful on this page because shark ends with a K and sharp, like a knife or teeth, ends with a P. We're not looking for sharp, we're looking for shark with a K at the end. So let's circle shark with a K at the end. A great white shark has sharp teeth. Those words have only one letter different. You're not going to get tricked because you're so smart. Now on the last page, we have a lot of circling the word sharks to do. Ready? All sharks live in water. Find the word sharks. Okay. Here we have a nurse shark. It's in the water. I found the word shark again. A lemon shark, also in the water. And a cat shark, also in the water. So we circled shark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Oh my goodness, you're working so hard. And then hit submit. Now, what did we just read about? We said the same word over and over and over again. We circled it over and over again. And there's even a picture to help remind you. What did we read about just now? Our main idea, what we just read about, was sharks. Okay. Now, the whale shark was really what? Because we're trying to think of the different details from the story. The whale shark was really big. So some sharks are big. Okay, some are big. Now, we read about sharks that have special teeth that are sharp. Okay, the great white shark had sharp teeth. So I'm going to write sharp teeth. So S-H-A-R-P, sharp teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Now, I want you to think. Remember, you could always type things too, so I'll type the next one to show you. What did the tiger stripe have on him? He had stripes, right? The tiger shark had stripes. Do all of them have stripes? Nope, all sharks are different. Now, we need to do one more thing we learned about sharks. Where do sharks live? They don't live in the desert or the jungle. Where do they live? In the water. Okay? So we learned about sharks. Some are big. Some have sharp teeth. Some have stripes. And they all live in the water. So those are some of the details that we saw when we were reading the story. You could always pause the video if you need time to catch up. And remember, if it's hard to write, like that's not neat handwriting that Miss Megan did, you might need help typing it instead. It might make it easier for you. When you're done with the page, hit submit. Okay, so now we're just looking, I have this to show you, the word shark. Well, we read about sharks today, so I'm going to write it up here. Sharks. Sharks starts with an S sound and ends with an S sound. Can you say S? So when it's in the beginning of the word, it's called initial, and when it's at the end of the word, it's called final. So see if you can write the word shark somewhere on the page, and then hit submit. So we're looking for words that we're going to circle that have an initial S sound. Since we can't drag them on this program, we're just looking for ones that have an S sound in the beginning. So here I have a seahorse. Do you hear an S in the beginning of seahorse? Because initial means beginning. Yes, there are. Yes, there is. Now I have gloves. Do we hear the S at the beginning or the end? Gloves. That one's at the end. Gloves. Do you hear it at the end? Not this one. Okay, do you know what this one is next? Soap. Can you say soap? Now you need to listen. Do you hear the S at the beginning of soap? Soap. There's an S at the beginning. So we're circling ones at the beginning. Okay. Do you know what this next one is? A saw. Saw. Do you hear the S at the beginning of saw? I do. Now, we have cows. The S sound, cows, comes at the end. And we're being a detective and finding them at the beginning. Now I have dogs. Is the S sound at the beginning or end of dogs? Dog starts with D, so it's not at the beginning of dogs. So we circled seahorse, soap, and saw for beginning S sounds. And then we hit submit. And then to finish with our S sounds, now we have to find words that have the S sound at the end. So seahorse is in the beginning. Oops. What about gloves? It ends with the S sound, gloves. So I'm going to circle gloves. It's at the end. Soap. Soap starts with S. It's not at the end. Saw. Saw starts with S. It's not at the end. And what about cows? Cows starts with a C. And it ends with cows, the S sound we're looking for. So far we have gloves and cows that both end with S. And the last picture we have, they're dogs. Dog starts with a D, so it's not at the beginning. Dogs. What letter do you hear at the end? An S. So after I say the words, I want you to say them and make the S sound a little extra long like this. Gloves. Can you do that? To practice the S sound? Gloves. Okay, the next one, I want you to say cows. Ready? Cows. And finally, I want you to say dogs. Ready? Dogs. What a good job you did practicing your S's. You're all done with the story. There were lots of S's today with the word shark and sharks.